Looking to elevate your career in cybersecurity? The CompTIA CASP Plus certification is your gateway to mastering advanced security concepts. Recognized globally, it's designed for IT professionals who are ready to lead, and Ascend Education is here to help you achieve it. In today's world, cybersecurity is mission-critical. 81% of organizations face advanced security threats, and the average cybersecurity salaries exceed $90,000 plus. The CASP Plus certification sets you apart as an expert in enterprise security. It's your path to roles like security architect, cybersecurity engineer, and technical lead. With organizations prioritizing security, demand for CASP Plus professionals is at an all-time high, and so are the salaries. Ascend Education's CASP Plus certification course dives deep into enterprise security architecture, risk management, and advanced security operations. Our curriculum is carefully crafted to prepare you for the CASP Plus exam while building practical expertise for the workplace. Cybersecurity demands more than just theoretical knowledge. It requires hands-on expertise. Ascend Education's virtual labs simulate real-world cybersecurity challenges, giving students the opportunity to configure firewalls, mitigate advanced threats, and develop enterprise-level security solutions. Instructors can integrate these labs into their courses, providing students with the practical experience needed to lead cybersecurity initiatives in today's ever-evolving digital landscape. We understand your schedule is packed. That's why Ascend Education offers 24/7 access to self-paced courses. Whether you're a working professional or balancing other commitments, you can learn on your terms, anytime, anywhere. Here's what you get with our CASP Plus certification course. Engaging video lessons taught by cybersecurity experts. Interactive learning materials tailored to enterprise-level security. Hands-on virtual labs to build job-ready skills. Comprehensive practice exams to ensure you're ready to ace the CASP Plus certification. Why choose Ascend Education? Because we offer more than just a course. We provide a complete learning solution. Whether you're an individual or an instructor, we support your journey with customizable tools, virtual labs, and pre-built assessments. With expert guidance, practical learning, and a student-first approach, Ascend Education ensures you succeed. Our learners go beyond certifications. They become leaders. Ascend Education has equipped thousands of professionals with the skills to secure enterprise systems and advance their careers in cybersecurity. Wondering why CASP Plus certification is right for you? Here's what makes it a game changer. It's the pinnacle of advanced cybersecurity certifications. Validates your expertise in enterprise security architecture and risk management. Opens doors to high-paying roles in cybersecurity leadership. With Ascend Education, you'll have the tools and support to excel in this dynamic field. Ready to take your cybersecurity expertise to the next level? Whether you're a professional looking to advance your career or an instructor seeking high-quality teaching resources, Ascend Education's CASP Plus certification course is the ultimate solution. Enroll today and join a community of leaders shaping the future of enterprise security.